When it comes to decluttering your home or office in Austin, you're faced with a common dilemma. Should you hire a professional junk removal service like Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company, or tackle the task yourself with a DIY junk hauling approach? Both options have their pros and cons, but the best choice ultimately depends on the scale of the project, your available time, and your budget. In this article, we'll compare the two options, hiring a professional junk removal company versus doing it yourself, to help you make the best decision for your needs. Time and convenience. Professional junk removal. One of the biggest benefits of hiring Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company is the sheer convenience. Junk removal professionals come to your location, sort through the items, and quickly load them onto their trucks for proper disposal or recycling. This option saves you a significant amount of time and effort, especially if you have large amounts of junk or heavy items that would be difficult to transport on your own. Additionally, these companies often offer same-day or next-day services, meaning you don't have to wait around for a scheduled pickup. If you're in a hurry to declutter your space, the efficiency and convenience of a professional junk removal company are hard to beat. DIY junk hauling. On the other hand, DIY junk hauling might seem like a more budget-friendly option, but it can be time-consuming. You'll need to sort through all of your items, pack them into your vehicle, and find a proper disposal or recycling center. If you don't have a truck or large vehicle, you may need to rent one, which adds to the time and hassle. Moreover, transporting junk on your own may involve multiple trips, especially if you have a lot to haul. The time spent on DIY junk hauling can quickly add up, making it a less convenient choice for many homeowners. Cost. Professional junk removal. The cost of hiring a professional junk removal company like Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company typically includes labor, transportation, and disposal fees. The pricing structure can vary depending on the volume of junk being hauled away, and you may pay based on the size of the load, weight, or time spent. While the upfront cost of hiring a professional service may seem higher than DIY junk removal, it's important to factor in the time and energy you'll save. Additionally, professional junk haulers handle all the heavy lifting, which can save you from potential injury or physical strain. DIY junk hauling. DIY junk hauling is generally cheaper in terms of direct costs, especially if you already have access to a vehicle capable of carrying the junk. However, you should consider other factors, such as the cost of renting a truck or van, fuel expenses, and disposal fees. Many junk removal centers charge fees for dumping large items, such as furniture or appliances, so the costs can add up quickly. Furthermore, if you're handling the junk removal yourself, you risk injuring yourself while lifting heavy items or dealing with bulky furniture. For some, the potential for personal injury may not make DIY hauling as cost-effective in the long run. Safety and risk. Professional junk removal. When you hire a junk removal company, you're benefiting from the expertise of trained professionals who know how to properly handle and remove large or hazardous items. These professionals are equipped with the right tools and equipment to safely lift and transport heavy loads, reducing the risk of injury or damage to your property. Additionally, Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company adheres to safety protocols and local regulations, ensuring that your junk is disposed of or recycled in an environmentally responsible manner. This can give you peace of mind knowing that the job is being done safely and ethically. DIY junk hauling. DIY junk removal comes with a higher level of risk. If you're not experienced in handling large or heavy items, you run the risk of injury, whether it's a strained back, a twisted ankle, or something more severe. Furthermore, lifting bulky furniture or sharp objects can lead to accidents that could result in damage to your property or vehicle. Additionally, finding the right places to dispose of hazardous materials, such as old paint, chemicals, or appliances, can be a challenge. Improper disposal of such items can lead to environmental harm or fines, making it critical to understand the rules and regulations for junk disposal in your area. Environmental impact. Professional junk removal. A professional junk removal service like Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company typically follows green practices, ensuring that as much of the junk as possible is recycled or donated. These companies work with local recycling centers, donation organizations, and eco-friendly disposal facilities to reduce waste and minimize their environmental impact. By hiring a professional service, you can rest easy knowing that your junk is being handled in the most environmentally responsible way possible, helping to keep Austin clean and green. DIY junk hauling. When you tackle junk removal yourself, the responsibility for environmentally friendly disposal falls on you. While recycling or donating items is certainly an option, it requires more effort to research and find the appropriate drop-off locations. You may not be aware of all the recycling facilities available or the specific rules for disposing of certain materials, which could lead to improper disposal. The bottom line: which is better for you? Ultimately, whether you choose Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company or go the DIY route depends on your specific needs, budget, and time frame. If convenience, safety, and efficiency are your top priorities, hiring a professional junk removal service is likely the best choice. You'll save time, reduce the risk of injury, and benefit from expert handling of your junk, all while supporting eco-friendly practices. If you're on a tight budget and only have a small amount of junk, DIY junk hauling could be a suitable option, especially if you have access to a truck and are comfortable with the physical labor involved. In the end, consider the total cost, including time, effort, and safety, before making your decision. Either way, the goal is to clear out your clutter efficiently and responsibly, making your home or office a more comfortable and organized space.